Everyone says just be consistent. But what if I told you there are hidden YouTube hacks that barely anyone is talking about in 2025? Yes, but they're actually working right now. I'm going to give you 10 of them today, 10 of those hacks. Real talk. These are the hacks I wish I knew 100 videos ago. I have 500 videos on my True Travel Treasure channel, but I wish I'd known this. Let's get into it. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Life in with Cheryl, where small creators grow smarter, not harder. That's what we're all about on this channel. If you want to beat the algorithm at its own game, then you want to hear this video. And if you want to stop watching your video views crawl like molasses, you want to listen to this video. Hit that like button and let's unlock these 10 hidden growth hacks for 2025. Set expectations. Quick heads up. These aren't gimmicks that I'm going to tell you about. It's not about bots, no shady sub for sub junk. These are actual YouTube strategies that I've used and that has worked for me in 2024, 2025, and I'm assuming on beyond as well. And the bigger channels hope you don't figure these out because that's what they do to promote their channel. Now, hack number one, upload 30-second power hoops. YouTube is testing something called hook retention zones. The translation for that? That's first 30 seconds is a better slap. Try starting your video with a bold statement or a cliffhanger question. No introductions initially, no babble, blah, blah, blah. Get to the substance, get to the meat of the matter right away as soon as the video starts. Hack number two, use comment magnets. Ask a simple, juicy question at the end that demands a response. Here's an example. What's the worst advice you've ever heard about growing a YouTube channel? That's food for thought. Is going to get your comment section popping, lighting up, and YouTube loves engagement. Yes. Hack number three, sorry, delay your title drop. Don't repeat your video title right away. Delay it. Viewers already read your title. Use those first moments to tease value that they will get from the video, not echo what they already know. Keep them guessing every second for like start for 10 to 15 seconds because that's the time when they will click off. And so if you do that, it keeps retention high. Hack number four, update your old videos thumbnails. Some of your best content is sitting in silence. I know mine are. I'm trying to find the time to do it. Refresh the thumbnail, tweak the title, and give it a second life, a second burst. 2025 is all about repurposing, not starting from scratch. And I need to go through mine. As I'm telling you this, that's my plan. Okay, hold me to this. Hold me accountable. Hack number five, use grouped CTR triggers. That's a fancy way of saying make your thumbnail look like a series. And I talked about that in the previous video. Matching color, text style, or a common icon creates binge energy. People will want to watch part one, part two, part three. Viewers don't just want watch one, they watch them all if you have them in a series. And I plan to create a series as well. Hack number six, tap into Google search. Yes, use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. I have links in the description to find topics with low competition and high Google search volume. Google is pushing YouTube videos. If you go to Google now and you search, you'll find out. Higher in search, and if your title matches what people are actually searching for in Google, your videos will show up there. You will get more views, definitely. Hack number seven, steal watch time from other channels. Yes, I said steal, but I don't mean literally. When you use the same tags and topics as big creators in your niche, creators that are in your niche, YouTube sometimes suggests your videos after theirs so that people can see what you are saying about the topic. It's called suggested video hijacking rather. And don't sleep on this. Mindset check. Quick reminder. Growth isn't always viral. Sometimes growth is slow, smart stacking. These hacks aren't just for the lucky person. No, it's not. They are for creators who study and apply and stay in the game for the duration. This is a business now. This is no hobby, and you have to treat it as such. Hack number 8, end screens that lead somewhere. Don't just slap a random video on your end screen. Make it make sense. Tell viewers why they need to click on it. Say something like, if you want the exact script I use to get views, watch this next. And you will have it up on the screen. And make sure you indicate that. Now, what you're doing is you're guiding them, and your channel will go faster. Hack number 9, use silent shorts as bait. I know they said shorts will destroy your channel, but you can use them effectively. Shorts with no voice, just text, music, and fast visuals are exploding in 2025. Why? No language barrier, global reach, and they're easy to create and easy to binge. And you connect them to a long form video. Lead people to your main channel using those shorts. Act number 10, post at behavioral windows. Don't just post when you feel like it. Post when you know that your audience is most likely to scroll. In 2025, that's often weekdays, lunch breaks, like between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you just start your channel, you can start here. And Sunday evenings when you know people are at home between 7 and 9 p.m. Check your YouTube analytics for personal sweet spot. vidIQ will help you with that, and YouTube will also show you when people are viewing channels like yours and your channel. Listen, growing on YouTube in 2025 doesn't mean outworking everyone. You have to find your little space. It means outsmarting the noise. And these 10 hacks can 10x your results if you use them wisely and intentionally. Small creator, big energy. You got this. Drop a comment and tell me which hack you're going to try next, or first, I should say. Or if you've got a hidden gem of your own, please drop that in the comment section as well. We would appreciate it. And the audience that watches this video will appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell because next week we're talking monetization secrets. Yes, YouTube doesn't advertise these things. So I'm going to share it with you. And please grab my free video planning guide and my free viral video cheat sheet. Both links are in the description, and I've made them available for you, just for you. That will level up your YouTube game. And if you're really, really serious about taking your channel to the next level, I have something special for you as well. Check out my YouTube growth and automation ebook. That link is also in the description. And it will help you to grow your channel better and stop being all over the place. It will give you step-by-step guidance and direction on how to take your channel to the next levels. And even though you're a small channel, you can grow in less time than you think if you follow the guidelines in this ebook, and you will get more subscribers and more views. Okay? Well, that's it for now. I hope I didn't go too fast through them, but replay the video again so you can learn all these hacks because they are important. They will help you to level up. And I am your channel host, Cheryl, saying bye, but just for now. Okay? Take care until next time. We are in this together. We are on this YouTube streets together, and we're going to help each other to grow substantially. Do you believe that? You better. Bye for now.